Speaking at the Heroes Day main commemoration event at the National Heroes Eka in Harare on Monday, President Mnangagwa highlighted what he described as significant milestones achieved by his administration despite the worsening economic turmoil facing the country. Sadabina mashoko buda pankwa ino achunkwamse despite the deepening economic crisis, Mnangagwa boasts of rising milk production that was subscribed like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamo mda nyukwamchinzi. Below is the full keynote address delivered by His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa on 11 August 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, it is my singular honor and privilege to address this 45th commemoration for our National Heroes Day, an event our nation holds annually in tribute to the gallant sons and daughters of the soil who paid the supreme sacrifice for the liberation of our country. There was a selfless struggle for the freedom we enjoy today that must forever remain engraved in our collective conscience. This emboldens us to resolutely guard our sovereignty as well as fortify our resolve to build a prosperous economy encapsulated in our National Vision 2030. Today, we also honor the living heroes and heroines who continue to epitomize patriotism, loyalty, and commitment to the nation. The historic feats of our heroes and heroines are an enduring legacy bequeathed to us, which should serve as an inspiration in our march to realize Vision 2030, to immortalize the selfless sacrifice made by our forebears in the struggle for independence, freedom, and democracy. The Second Republic is spearheading various projects across the country. Sikombela, Wawa, Buchakemp, Zapasi, and Connemara are among the shrines built by government to preserve our rich liberation war heritage. Finally, as we gather at the National Heroes Eka and other sacred sites, let us look to the future with the resolve. These commemorations rekindle the spirit of sacrifice embodied in our heroes and heroines. The baton is now passed to us, the youth, women, men across rural and urban Zimbabwe, to build a modern industrialized nation. We must not stop at middle income status or Vision 2030. Let us break ceilings and reach beyond horizons. As today's heroes and heroines, let us pioneer innovation and reach new heights. The revolutionary spirit that inspired our forebears should unite us. From Limpopo to Zambezi, Plumtree to Mutare, in pursuing unprecedented milestones for whatever backward never, success and prosperity are certain. With these remarks, I wish you all a happy 45th Heroes Day anniversary commemoration.